Can you copy tonight, or is it a little bit rough, Holter?
Man, this is good conditions. Around 10 o'clock is the best conditions here. That's when I'm going to hit these guys up tonight. This is when you point a beam at them.
Take care, Eden, if you can copy Minneapolis radio, clear.
Man, we're getting almost half across the Nebraska almost. Minneapolis is right up the Great 10,000 Lakes. That is northwest direction for me. Getting Wisconsin's, a lot of Midwest states.
For Columbus, Ohio, you're sounding here in Minneapolis. 964, here you calling. 55 to Sasquatch, waving a hand back.
Yep, up by Minnesota. It's almost halfway across Nebraska.
Thank you for that. You're sounding much higher. Columbus, no, didn't get the call. Like, it's okay. I did jump in here and wave at Columbus, Ohio. This is Minneapolis. Real bad quiet.
And these guys I can hit pretty good. Minneapolis is my best shot. And I can get my West Coast guys.
Bob in Georgia, 55 to Sasquatch, northern Wisconsin, waving a hand.
Wish my guys out Utah, then all Utah. Wish you can get to see this video. I know you can't see much, but I'm recording the conditions on this camera on a Samsung Galaxy 8. It's not bad, it's good quality audio. And all you can hear.
No, well, you got the northeast.
Skips are changing like crazy out here.
At 2510, your audio is sliding up and down. I just thought I'd let you know. Your audio is going high and then it's going low, so maybe something was too hot there.
This is good skip here in Tennessee. Very good skip. Now we're getting Iowa again. Iowa's not far from here. It's less than about a couple hours away. Iowa's up here by Missouri.
Okay, 24-1 Georgia. Let's know here on
Love to get
northern Wisconsin. If you got a different radio. Take care, brother. Just thought I'd let you know from Minneapolis. We'll be standing by. Iowa, contact radio. 944, Bob in Georgia. 944, Bob in Georgia. 55, your friend, the Sasquatch, Wisconsin. Yeah, 155.
I'm about 60 miles from Chattanooga, and I'm about 66 miles west of Knoxville. That's what we're getting these conditions here in Rockwood, Tennessee, and also near Harris, Tennessee. We can hear them pretty good. Not bad between a mountain between here with the Cumberland Plateaus.
I appreciated Georgia 55. The Sasquatch waving a friendly furry hand.
That's why there's good propagation here with those mountains here. I'm below the plateau. I'm about 974 feet, almost 1,000. This is not up in the air on the speaker wire. It's only not even that high. It's because I'm pointing horizontal. Imagine we would pick it up on a base station antenna, it would be better.
Conditions are definitely rough and tough in there tonight. Conditions are definitely rough and tough in there tonight. So we're getting it done. 55 to Sasquatch waving a hand. The folks waving hands.
A lot of Alabamans and Georgias. It was down toward Florida a while ago. Now we're getting Alabama and Georgias. The skip is definitely changing. Imagine you switch the amps on, you can hear them. It definitely has changed in the last half hour, 2 hours. It sounds like a lot of New Yorkers are coming in.
Columbia, South Carolina.
Now we're getting Columbia, South Carolina. That's down where Mower Chunk is at.
549 Central Bluegrass. 549 Central Bluegrass. Maybe conditions will pick up a little bit. 63 South Carolina. Blessings to you your way from 237 Minneapolis Radio.
Yeah, we're getting Minneapolis so far. But the sun's going further west.
I hear you waving in there, North Carolina. We hear you waving in there, North Carolina. 55, the shot squad. Waving right back from Wisconsin.
Wisconsin.
Georgia.
There's a lot of noise out there at my radio.
The Georgia station is
Alpha 138, Iowa. Contact
Iowa.
radio. Calling.
And I'd like to hit
I
some of
must
these
have
guys.
got the call wrong. Columbia, South Carolina, thank you for the flowers. Coming up over that wood pile. 55 in South Florida, headed from Green Bay, Wisconsin. The Minneapolis Radio.
Yeah, a lot of Wisconsins. Really good condition. This is them high out. Now we're getting Florida all the way. This is, I can hear them way in the distance. They're shooting beams.
00 Southeast Territories. You're sounding good up here in Wisconsin. 55 in South Florida.
I'm at 442 first in flight. 138 Eastern Iowa. Contact radio.
Okay, 442, yeah. They must be running a beam or something because you got a signal up here in Minneapolis, over.
Wow, we're getting good stations out there. This is running on a base station, and this is on a speaker wire here now. You guys are coming good over here in eastern Tennessee. Now the skip's starting to die off.
Once you got a beam, you're never gonna
fooled me with that big signal. Very good. You probably running a vertical than a ground plane, over.
This is good conditions at night. You can probably shoot these guys pretty good if you do it right. On this channel 27385. This is actually channel 38. Lower sideband.
Oh, okay. Mr. Coyley. You know, you're the second guy I've talked to tonight. With the mid 41 outside Atlanta, 55, Southwest, sounding fine in my receive. There's nothing funny about your signal. It is booming in here, Roger.
It's all that storms are doing it. It's that tropical storm Claudia's causing this crap. It's shooting the beams that way. That's what it's doing. That's why we're getting all these conditions from out west.
Okay, 641 North Georgia.
Book my radio, your top shelf, my radio. 1240
Enjoy your evening.
That way.
Georgia's only 2 hours away
This
from
is
me.
Minneapolis Radio, back quiet.
845.
We could hit at least 10 different states in this area. A lot
Okay, we
more.
appreciate it, man. The numbers again, you have to call over.
I need to find a private channel we can jump on
Okay,
these days.
442. Well, chalk it up for Mr.
Or skip.
Everything is working great. 442, that's the 73 from Minneapolis, Roger.
Radio on my side. 1240 Wisconsin. Shooting that web.
Man, I would love to get my Ranger turned around quickly to get it working again. But that one has a modifier that thing on it.
1240 Wisconsin. I appreciate your knowledge. 73, 1240 Wisconsin.
Okay, 442, it was my pleasure.
There's probably a lot more private
442,
channels than
take
this.
care from 237 Minneapolis.
Hey, Mike on the mic. Am I on frequency today?
334 Alabama, 55, the top cross, northern Wisconsin, waving a hand.
This skip's going on more than 3 hours right now. Almost 3.5 hours skip, almost 2 hours. Utah lasts at least an hour to 2 hours on a good day.
334 Alabama, 334 Alabama, 55, the stock squash waving from outside Green Bay.
349, Missouri.
A lot of skip tonight. Imagine an amplifier, you can hear them all over the place. But these are pretty good conditions at night. We should be able to hit Utah right now or Colorado at this time.
Don't make me go get on the mega radio. Wisconsin.
Being conditions like this is when you guys need to shoot toward Utah. You might have a chance to hit the west coast of the United States. They might be on at this hour. On lower sidebound. But we're getting far west.
How about a 151 mower junkie 349
Holy shoot!
Missouri.
He's calling Mower Junkie. I can't hear him. He's talking to Mower Junkie. I heard him call Mower Junkie in there. There was a guy calling you today. I know who he's talking about. That's the guy who built the antennas. I can hear him.
PQ 344 Alabama. You got a copy at 1240 Wisconsin.
I know who this guy is. Miami Beach. Holy crap, we're getting all the way down Dade. Miami-Dade County. We can hear Miami Beach in there.
Real can't get out. 1240 Wisconsin. Stand by.
There was a guy who was calling Mower Junkie. I don't know if Mower Junkie got that quality.
428, 428, Alabama, 428, 425, 1240 Wisconsin, got you loud and proud.
I can hear a guy calling Mower Junkie. I know who's talking to me.
You're a lot of stations getting back to 55. Yeah, I got you in here, loud and proud. Copy off my radio. Alabama. 581, 1240 Wisconsin. I will be clear on your final.
I can hear the guy calling on me.
Number 3, Georgia, sounding fine from Green Bay, Wisconsin, 55 to Sasquatch City.
There was a guy calling me over here in Rockwood, Tennessee. I could hear him calling Mower Junkie on one, and that's who he was calling at this hour around 10 o'clock in the night. Almost 9 my time. But I can hear him on my shortwave radio. Who was that guy out there who was calling me? You might know who he is. But he was trying to call you on 2738, channel 38 on lower sideband. I can hear him on a speaker wire. I didn't hear Mower Junkie back there because I'm pretty close to him. Because I'm over about an hour away from Knoxville, Tennessee. I would have been able to hear Mower Junkie by now.
C12, waving. You got a copy of your Wisconsin.
Yeah, I would have heard him over in Rockwood, Tennessee, because South Carolina's not far from him. It's pointing that direction towards the southwest. Yeah, because there's no mountains that direction, except the Smoky Mountains, and you got the Cumberland Plateau. But just want to let you know, Mower Junkie, I heard someone at this hour was trying to call you out there. Just want to let you know. This is Foxman 362. I mean, they call me 362 out there, but it's Foxman 362. I go by that a lot. So I just wanted to run this video again, see you guys what you think out there. I put it out there. At least you can find out who's calling you out there, Mower Junkie. You might get a shot of him. But I heard him out there. Somewhere over West Contact, I think it was. We'll have to look at the video a little later. But this definitely is going upload later tonight.
Hello,
Skip is starting to roll out a little bit. It's still going good. This is not even with amplifiers. It's on a... If I had an amplifier on...
The Sasquatch, in your way from Green Bay, Wisconsin.
If I had an amplifier on right now, I would be able to hear these people very well. Especially when you can't immediately be able to hear this. Turning the sound switch on.
6012, 33 to you. We're talking again. Rockwood, Tennessee. 55 to southwest. Clear.
I'm going to end this video tonight. You have a wonderful night all. Just want to run some video games to get an idea. But I've been here and Skip the last couple of weeks. But, well, put something down in the comments below if you want to donate something to my Bitcoin account. Usually I'll put it out there in the description down below when I get a chance. Just want to...
Oklahoma, 55 southwest. The Woods of Wisconsin.
So you have a wonderful night. Enjoy your evening. Enjoy your 4th of July this week. The base station will be running sometime soon when I get a chance. I'm still putting that thing together. You know, the one I showed you a while back on this video here on one of my other YouTube channels. So,
Oklahoma, 55 southwest. Northern Wisconsin, leaving a hand.
Alpha 138. Iowa, contact radio call. 718 Mobile. I always like to make up Mobile contact.
Northwest Alabama, 55 southwest. Oh, we're going back.
Northwest Alabama. Are you doing smoke in the Litecoin field?
wow, Skip's running good today. This can go on all night.
Iowa, contact radio call.
See, Utah had bad conditions. You have to understand, it's very rare to get Skip in Utah.
45 Northwest Alabama, 55 to southwest. Green Bay, Wisconsin.
I was living near a power station when I lived there on 5,000-foot benches, and I was getting a lot of Californians. You have to understand that kind of conditions. If I'm getting conditions like this, my radio should be able to run good to hear these things. So you have a wonderful night. Just want to get this video done, and hope you guys comment down when you get a chance. This is Foxman. This is Worldwide. This is Foxman 362 World Radio, and back on the side, and my other channel Foxman 362. You can see that on YouTube when you check out my other videos. So catch you all later.
55 to southwest. Woods of Wisconsin, 55 to southwest. Wing in hand.